We bought OONI Karu multi-fuel pizza oven. I've been waiting for this thing for ages. Apparently it's one of the best pizza ovens in the world, so I can't wait to get in there. So let's have a look. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As I mentioned, I've bought my super duper pizza oven. I've been wanting one of the pizza ovens for like ages, but apparently they've been out of stock for a really long time. So finally it's arrived yesterday. I can't wait to have a look. I'm so excited. We like cooking outside a lot. We've got the barbecue and we like to spend a lot of time outside. So to me, a pizza should be a perfect addition. Oh, can't wait. You cannot beat a proper Italian pizza. And apparently this thing cooks it in 60 seconds. Wow. Okay. Got a nice colourful box inside as well. And, excuse me sir, can you please get this out for me? There she is. This is a multi-fuel oven, as I've mentioned. So you can fire it up via wood, via coal and via gas. Unfortunately I don't have the gas attachment. They are sold separately because they're out of stock everywhere. I know you can buy them on eBay, but I'm certainly not paying like 3 times the retail price. So I'm going to wait potentially until the manufacturer get it back in stock one then. So without further ado, let's have a look in the box. So it tells you there that the pizza ready in 60 seconds. The oven heats up to 500 degrees Celsius and the oven is ready to be used in 15 minutes. That's pretty good considering the normal pizza ovens take about an hour to heat up to 500 degrees. So let's get into the box. Da-da-da-da. It's like a big gift. It's my birthday soon after all, so here we are. Okay, so looks like here we have an app for the phone. So it tells you there you guys can have your favorite recipes and you've got the OONI dough calculator. So you can download and you can calculate your dough recipe depending on the amount of pizzas you make. So that's quite handy. Okay, so we have, a pizza stone. This is what makes the crispiest base of your pizzas. I've got one of those for the oven, but it really just doesn't have the same effect. Must be a cooking booklet. Yeah, we'll have a look at that one after. Yeah, and the warranty comes with a 3-year warranty apparently, so there we are. Okay. So yeah, this is a Karu 12 and it takes basically a 12-inch pizza, which is I think is an average size, but for us being a greedy piggies, we're probably going to have 2 pizzas each. Just put that up there. Oh, it's really well packaged, I give them that. They retail at £299 for the pizza oven itself and £69.99 for gas attachment if you choose to buy one or if you're actually lucky enough to get one. So, okay, look at that beauty. It looks like a mini rocket. Okay, so I think what I have to do is to get my helping hand to get this out of there because that weighs 18 kilos. It's meant to be portable and I appreciate that because you can fold the legs and you can carry this across whatever you're going, but I cannot lift this out of there. So I have to get my helping hand, please, to get this out. Thank you to my assistant Daniel for helping me getting this out of the box. Here we are. Right, so it comes into a nice biodegradable bag for some of you who do actually care. Okay. Oh yes, that comes with a door. I've done actually research on those pizza ovens and apparently they've got like a whole inch of insulation and I can see this like, this is how the guy like, you know, builds up the temperature so quickly and actually keeps it for quite a bit because of all of that in there. You can see how thick this is. It's insulation. So let's get rid of that. Right, okay, we have, oh yes, this is the little door where you put your little logs, little fire bits in. Put that to the side. Okay, shall I rip it open? This biodegradable bag, it rips quite easily. Look at that. That looks like some sort of a spaceship a bit, doesn't it? I must say it's got a really good finish. They did have really good reviews. They certainly do. Some of them do have covers like silicone covers, but for different models anyway. I wouldn't want to leave this outside to be fair, although you can buy like a covers for them if you choose to leave it out, but I think for that kind of money it's probably best to be in the shed or in the greenhouse. So, right, okay. If I just take this and put it there for a second. We have a flute somewhere as well, aren't we? So, actually feels much lighter now you've taken it out of the box. I can actually lift it a bit easier. Right, off it goes. Let's turn this around for you guys. Okay, right, I assume that'd be the flute in there. And that God knows what else at the back. It's quite a small, hold on. It's a really small hole to get your hand in. Here we are, let's see what's in there. Right, let's have a look. Oh, I think this is the back end. It's a butt plug, as you wish, for the butt. Yeah, it's fun, isn't it? Butt plug is a funny word. Oh, no, do you know what? I think that's actually a tray that goes inside for the wood bits, I think. We've got a little Allen key. And we have, oh my goodness, it's so fiddly. Sorry about that. Yeah, I think somehow that goes in there. We'll have a look in the manual anyway, so let me put this aside. We'll get the flute out. Is that going to be just as hard? What do you reckon? Yeah. They don't really make it easy for it to get it out. Here it comes. It's wedged. Excuse me, sir, please. Thank you, my assistant Daniel, yet again. Right, next thing, let's get the feet up. Apparently, you meant to put this on. Hold on, I'll turn this around for you in a minute. Put it around on his face, and this is what we have. Foldable legs. Looks like we've got a do's and don'ts. Just like that. Okay, and let's put this little lady. I've got to name her yet. I don't know if it's going to be called OONI or not. All my kitchen equipment's got names. So she's going to get a name. It's already she. I already established that. Right, so that's the back end. I'm going to show you whilst you have the back end here is we have the little door where you put your little fire bits in here and you got a little hooklet. You can hook it in there. I think they do suggest you wear gloves anyway because it does get really, really, really hot. Right, so put this in there. Let me turn this around for you and for me. I know, table's a bit small for that. It's not going to be on this table, so it's just for you guys to see. And there she is. We have a little tray, and it is going like on the angle. It's a bit weird, but yes, it does go like that. And then it's meant to be inserted all the way to the back. Literally just slides in there. Yeah, okay. Let's have a look. We've got a flute in there, I believe. You can regulate the flute and the air to regulate your temperature and the amount of flames you want to come out on your pizza. The beauty of those, obviously, ovens, that the flame comes up literally right off the roof of the pizza oven, and that's giving you really crispy, crunchy crust. Right, so we have a little flute plug. Right, go one of those. And this is our regulator for the flute, and we have an arrow. So let's see. I'm gonna mess it up again, I'm sure. There's no arrows at the bottom. It just lock and unlock. So I assume we're going unlock, twist it, and we're locked. Just as simple as that. And plug for the top. Regulator. Let's see what it does. Yeah, it's literally just like a plate, metal plate that rotates like that. So you have more or less. That's pretty cool. I love it. Right, rubbish, 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 and we have a pizza stone. Let's get that one in, shall we? You can buy spare pizza stones whilst they're in stock, so I'm thinking I might order one because I don't fancy paying 3 times the price after they sell out and then lying in somebody else's pocket. Look at that. OONI. I wonder if you actually, like, excuse my nail, if you cook it on whether you have like a OONI on the bottom of your thing on the pizza. That'd be pretty cool, wouldn't it? And I think we're just sliding it in. And there we are. Voila. I think this is it, literally. I think all we have now is to be able to put the logs in there. I'll get you the door in there as well. Hold on. That is quite a hefty door. That weighs like, I reckon, a couple of kilos by itself. Yeah. Okay, I assume you just, yeah. It's sturdy, it's not falling out anyway. Yeah, because it's quite deep. So yeah. They don't suggest you do not use the door if you use it with the gas. But because we're going to use it with the wood, we're going to use it. So there we are. This is my super duper. I'm so excited. So we're going to now prep some pizza dough and make some pizzas. Anyway, that'll be for another video. Anyway, on and all, I'm like absolutely loving this. It's finished really well, isn't it? It's lovely. So I'm hoping it's going to live up to the expectations. So anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to do a whole load of videos devoted basically to cooking in the OONI oven and pizza doughs and also Italian things to go with that. So anyway, thank you for watching and we'll see you very soon.